Okay. Okay, and now I will begin. Okay, so as we all know that Duoke is a global e-commerce intelligent chatbot system that can help us to manage our stores. As we can see from here that Duoke have customers all over the world and mainly in these areas, like Thailand, Malaysia, uh, and Indonesia. Yes. Uh, and as we can see here is the cooperation platforms that that we can authorize our stores on Duoke. For example, the Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, Tokopedia, AliExpress, and Facebook. Yes. And here is the main functions of Duoke. For example, the first one is we can reply in bulk, means that we can aggregate all our stores and all platforms in Duoke. And the second one means that is the multilingual translation, means that we can translate more than 100 languages when we use Duoke.
Botão cocô, é? Olha, ele cheira botão cocô, né?
Okay, and here also have other functions, and I will introduce each functions in details. Okay, and now we look into the first one. The first one means that we can aggregate messages from multi-platforms and stores. As I said before, for example, the Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, and if we have already authorized our stores on Duoke, that we can reply messages on Duoke, as we can say on the right picture. Yes, it's the messages that from our stores. And also, if we have already aggregates all the stores here, that we can reply messages to the buyers. We can reply here. So it's it will help us to reply faster and easier. Okay, and the second function is the multilingual translation. Means that maybe our customers is from other countries that maybe we can't speak the languages. So if we want to communicate with the buyers, that we can use the Duoke to translate the languages. And now Duoke can automatically translate of 130 languages. Yes, that will help us to breaking the language barriers. Okay, and the third one is the auto reply. Auto reply is the function that can help to confirm the response rate of our stores. For example, when our stores are on a big sale or on weekends, that the client can't reply the messages as soon as possible. So at this time, that we can use auto reply to help us to reply messages. Okay. Okay, and the next one is the AI intelligent chatbot. AI intelligent chatbot means that if we are on weekend or on vacation or after the work time, that we also want to reply the messages to the buyers. So at this time, we can use the AI chatbot to help us to reply. And we can see from here is the main functions of the AI chatbot, that if we have used it, it can help us to intelligently reply the messages. And also the AI chatbot can be online for 24 hours all day. So it's really helpful for us. Okay. And the next one is the order follow-up management, means that Duoke can follow up on each key links of our orders and can stably enhance stores GMV. As we can see here, every aggregate to according uh, corresponding to our orders that we can set a strategy to remind the buyers to pay for the order or can to confirm the order. Yes, as we can see here. At the second part, we will introduce uh, each features into details. So, okay. And next one is the customer service management. Means that if our store has more than one client, or maybe our stores needs more than one to reply the messages. At this time, we may need more sub account to help us to reply the messages. So at this time, this function can help us to create a new account and to make more clients to help us to reply the messages. Okay, and at the part 2, I also will teach you how to set up the sub account. And also, Duoke can help you to show the data of our stores. And for example, we can say here is the we can say here is the statistics of our stores, and also the rates of the stores. All this can be shown on Duoke, and we can say it clearly. Okay. Okay, as we can see here is a mobile. That means that now Duoke can also reply on mobile. Uh, uh, and now it supports support chat on TikTok, Shopee, Lazada. These three platforms can reply on our phone, and also it has a function to automatic translation and have the AI recommend replies. And also here we can see the orders, the coupon and the order sending and the logistics on our phone. So when we are on vacation, we can use the mobile to reply messages. That will be very helpful. Okay, so about the above is the simple presentation of the Duoke, and in the part two, uh, we will introduce how to use Duoke and how to set the main features of Duoke that will help our stores to will help us to make our store more efficiently. And okay, so if you have any question during the presentation, you can comment on the chatting box. And after our presentation, we will reply to your questions. Okay. Okay, and now I will introduce other important filters. For example, the unread. The unread means that the messages had not been read. That's we can select here, and also if we want to select, we can click here, and the messages that had not been read will show here. And the next one is the not reply. The not replied means that the messages had not been replied. And we can select here, and also we can click here, and it will show here. Okay. And here are also other important filters that if we want to select, that we can select each, and yes, click here, for example, and also we can click here. Okay, for example. Okay. So here is the chat. Here is the chats that here is the messages that we can save. We can. Oh, sorry. Here is the messages that has already saved from our stores. Will show here, and also if we want to mark a new mark a new, yeah, if we want to make a new mark that we can manage here. Okay, for example, if this one we want, we wanted to make a new mark, for okay, that we can click here and we can choose which one we want to make the tag, and we can, for example, we want to click the green one, and that we can say all the tags here, and also if we want to delete, and we can click here and to delete it. Yes, it's okay, and all the tags are according to our demands, so we can create it by ourselves here. And here's the filters that has been confirmed by Duoke, that we have choose the most important ones and here so that we can use it. So we can see here is the stores, here is the messages, here is the chat page, and we look on the right. On the right, here are the other things that we think is very useful. So we have create here. For example, the first one is the order. The order means that if this buyer has already placed an order, that will stand here. Okay. And for each order, we can see the details, and we can click the details here. And we can see the detailed information of the order that will stand here, but that will show here. And also, if the buyer wants the invoice, we can click here to send the invoice to the buyers. Okay, and if we want to send the orders to the buyers, we can click the send. And also, at here, we can say the state of each order. Okay, it will show here. Okay, so maybe we also can say here is a small link. That the ERP means that, for example, the big seller is a ERP that if we click here and it will jump to the big seller, it will jump to the big seller page and jump to this order. That we can handle the orders as soon as possible. Okay, so here is the order. And the second one is the product. The product means that it will take the products from our stores and will show here. Also, we can use the product name or the SKU to select the products that we want. And also here we can say the stock will show here. And also, if we have deleted a product or we have created a new product, that we can click the seek here, and it will seek to Duoke as soon as possible immediately. Yes. And the second one, and the third one is the voucher, means that we can send the voucher to the buyers quickly. Yes. And here we'll show the ongoing and the upcoming vouchers here. Okay, so here is the voucher. And the next one, the ticket. The ticket here means that if we are chatting with a buyer, but the buyer's question that I can't handle now, so maybe I need another one, or maybe I need another client to help me to handle this problem, that I will create a ticket. Then I can choose the ticket type and the priority level, and also I can describe the details here, and I can choose who will be the one to help me to handle these problems. For example, Tina, and everything's okay, and we can save it. And if we have already created the ticket, and the one, for example, Tina have she will receive the ticket here. Here is a to-do list that she will say the ticket here. Yes, we'll say the ticket here. Okay. And she can help me to handle it. So this is all about the chat page. As we can say, chat is the most important, is one of the most important thing of our stores. So if we have already authorized the stores on Duoke, that will help us to reply the messages more easier and faster. Okay. So if we have any question about this page, we can comment on the chatting box. Okay. And now I will turn to the second features. Second features means the order follow-up management. That's the first one is we can click the marketing tool here, and then we click the order follow-up management. Okay, as we can see here is a page of order follow-up management. On the above is the data of the effect of order follow-up management, and will show here. And then the next one here is the flow that we can see how order follow-up management help us to help us to yes help us to remind the buyers to pay for the to place an order, to pay for the order, and 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 also if he has already received the if he have already received the packages that we want him to confirm the receiving, and to help us to make a review, that we can set the strategies, and we can send the messages to the buyers. Okay, and now we will look into each one. Okay. Okay, the first one we can say is the order reminder. The order reminder means that the buyers have already consult with us, or maybe he has already sent a product to us, but just about 10 minutes or about 5 minutes, that the buyers did not place the order. At this time, we can send the messages to the buyers. Okay, if we want to add the tasks, we can click the add task, or because here, if you are the first time to use this function, here we can say the default strategies here. And if we think this strategy is not suitable for my store, that we can change it. We also can click the small pencil on the right, and here we can change it, and we can create it according to our stores. For example, the first one is that we have to name the task. For example, sorry, reminder. We can say it's a reminder. Okay, sorry, order reminder. Okay, and we will select the stores that we want to use this feature, and we can select here, for example. Okay, I will select here and confirm it. And also, this filter means we can say here, it means that do not push orders reminder if buyer initiates a session within 30 days after payment. Means that when we click this, means that we don't want to remind the buyers that have already pay for this one. So we can click here to turn on this one. Okay, and after we have selected the stores, we have to select the products and the time, and we can write what we want to send to the buyers. Okay, okay. The first is that we have to select the products. If we want all the products have the reminder, that we can click here. And if we will only want some product or some specific product, that we can click here and select the products that we want. as I don't have products, so we can say here. And if your store have products that we can select here. Okay. Okay, so and we can say the execution time, we can choose the execution time here. And also here we can say we can choose the send time here, and we can choose the time that we want. For example, is 5 minutes. And also we can write the contents here. For example, the products, the product, the sorry. For example, the product is popular, uh, that I you can place an order. Now, okay. Okay, for example, we can send this to the buyers. And also here are the variables. For example, we can, at the first, we can write the buyer's name here. Okay, and also we can send pictures to the buyers. For example, this is a picture, yes. And we have already set the strategies that we can click the save to save the strategy. And also if we need more strategies, that we can click here, add reminders here, and to create more strategies. Yes, and also we can uh, write another one, the vacation strategies here. Okay, so if it's okay, it's, I can click the save. Okay, okay. So as we can say, here is the strategies that I have set. Okay, I have changed this one. So we can set it according to our stores. Here is the order reminder. Okay, and the second one is the payment reminder. The payment reminder means that the order has already paid or has already placed an order, but he had not paid for it. So as at this time, we need to we need to remind him to pay, right? So as we can say, here is a strategy that buyer placed an order but did not make a payment in 5 minutes, and then we will send the messages to the buyers. The same as the order reminder is that we can click here to reset the strategies. Okay, it's the same. We can name the task and select the stores and select the products and the time and what we want to send to the buyers, that we can reset here. Okay, and also if we want to add more strategies, we can click here to add more strategies. Okay, and if everything is okay, we can click the save and to save the strategies. And we can say it will show save successfully. So it will be on work. Okay, and the next one is the order confirmation. The order confirmation means that the buyer has already placed the order and paid for the order. And as at this time, we want to confirm the information or confirm the order of the buyers. For example, we want to confirm the maybe it's the address, it's a phone number, and it's the details of the orders. In case that the buyer have write the wrong things, that it may not be delivered to the buyers. So it's also very important to make a order confirmation to the buyers. Okay, so it's the same that if we want to add a new task or if we want to reset it, we click here. Also, add a new one is the same. Name the task, select the store. Okay, fine. Okay, right. Order confirm. Order confirm. Okay, for example, order confirm. Okay, and also the time, the products to, and also the contents that we want to send to the buyers that we can write here. And if we click this one, that's this things will be, this content will be translated to the order to the buyer's language that we can click here. Okay, and if it's okay, that we can click the save, and it will be okay, and it will be on work. Okay, and the next one is the shipment delay. The shipment delay means that maybe it's because of the big sale that we have a lot of orders, or maybe it's of the vacation. Yes, for it's about the vacation that the packages cannot be sent to the buyers as we have already confirmed. So at this time, we need to apologize to the buyers and send the messages to the buyers to remind the buyers. Okay, for example, this one means that all the status has not changed to shipment within 72 hours after the buyer placed the order. Okay, so we also can reset here. And this time and the hours is according to our stores. And we also have to pay attention to the rules of the platforms. For example, is within 3 days or within 2 days, we have to send the packages to the buyers, right? So here we have pay attention to it. Okay. And the next one is a shipment reminder. The shipment reminder means that if the package has already been shipped, that we can send a messages to remind the buyers, oh, your package has already been shipped. Please pay attention to your packages and to pay attention to the logistics that we want the buyers to receive the packages as soon as possible. So if we set this one, that this will send to the buyers. Okay, and the next one is the delivering reminder. The delivery reminder means that the packages have already been delivering, that we can send the messages to remind the buyers to care about his packages. Yes, so maybe because today the package will be sent to the buyers, and we want the buyers to pay attention that we want to confirm that he can receive the packages today. Okay, so this one is also very important. And the next one is the delivering failed reminder. The delivery failed reminder means that maybe it's because the wrong address, or maybe it's because the buyers the wrong phone number, or the buyers have missed the call from the logistics. So this time we also need to send messages to tell the buyers that our delivery failed, that the buyers have no, and we can tell him that we will arrange a new time to deliver the package. Yeah, and we need him to take care. Okay, and this is a delivery failed reminder. And also, if we want to if we want to reset it according to the demands of our stores, we can click here to, yes, to reset. Okay, and the next one is the receiving confirmation. The receiving confirmation means that if the buyer, if we can say the logistics, if we can say from the logistics is that the buyers have already received the packages, right? And at this time, we want the buyers to confirm the receiving as soon as possible, so we can send the messages to the buyers. Yes. For example, we can set the strategies like set 10 hours after the logistic status is saved as signed successfully. Yes, that we can set these messages to the buyers. And also this one will be sent to the buyers in the buyer's language. Okay, and the next one is the review reminder. The review reminder means that um, the buyers have already confirmed the receiving. And at this time, we know that the review is very important to our stores. So we want the buyers to make a review for our stores that we can we can set a strategy and send it to the buyers. Okay, so here is the review reminder. And all this is about the order follow-up management. There's one thing I want to point out is that the all this strategy is linked to the buyer, is linked to the order status. So and everything and every strategy that we have set will send it to the buyers according to the order status. Okay, so here is the order. Okay, here is the order follow-up management. Okay, let me say. Okay, and this one is the order follow-up management. Okay, I will confirm it. I will point it again. Is here, marketing tool, and then the order follow-up management. This is the function. And if we want to set the strategies, we can click into each one, and we can click the add task, or maybe we can click the small pencil here and to reset it. Okay, so this is the auto follow-up management. And the next function I want to introduce is the, okay, sorry. I want to introduce is a quick reply. Okay, here is a quick reply. As we can say here, is two types of quick reply. So maybe someone will confuse that what is quick reply. I will show you. So here is a chat page that we can say here, quick reply will show here. And if we click here, we can say the quick replies that we have already set that will stand here. And if we if we have a lot of messages have to reply, that the simple messages that we have already set the reply that we can click here to use it. For example, this one, or for example, this one, hello, welcome to my shop. Okay, and we can click here. We can click here to use. Okay, and if it's okay that we can click this one and to send it to the buyers. Okay, and now I will tell you how to set the quick reply. As we can see, these are two types. The first one is general message, means that this will be seen and used for all the people in our stores will show here. And everyone can use the strategies here. And we can set the quick reply for each platform. Okay, we can add for ourselves. For example, the Shopee one that we can add, and we can write the reply content here. For example, this one is about welcome to my shop. Welcome to my shop. Okay, and we can write here, and also we can set the shortcut. Maybe the shortcut is hello, or maybe hi is simple. We can write here, and also we can choose which site or which platform or which country we want these messages to be effect, and we can choose choose the countries here, and if it's okay, that we will click the save. Okay, and we can see it will show here. Here is the quick reply. So, and if we have already set this one, and this one will be seen by all the clients from your stores will show this. And the second one is a private message. Private message means that this message can only be set and be used by one person. For example, Tina have already add this quick reply that only Tina can use this quick reply. Okay, so this means the private message, and it's also the same. Okay, and it's also the same that we can click the add here, and we can write the content here, and we can write the shortcut, and also to choose the sites that we want this to be effect. And if everything's okay, we can save it. And also, if we have already set it that we want to add it, that we can click here to add it. Okay. So here is a quick reply. The quick reply that you have already set on the computer that will also be used, will be also that can be also used on your mobile phone. So when we are outside or we are on the vacation, that we want to reply to the buyers as quickly, that we can create more quick replies and we can use it. Okay, so here is about the quick reply, and many of our customers have already used this function. And the next one is the auto reply. Okay. The auto reply means that as I can said before, the auto reply is a functions that can help us to confirm the response rate of our stores, especially on vacation or especially on the big sales. Okay, for example, if we want to reset the auto reply for Happy Winning this store, so that we can click the settings here. As and we can set the template. If we don't have the template, we can click the add template here, and we can click a new template. For example, is for the pixel. That we can name it, and we can choose the reply time here. We can choose it. It's because within 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Also, this time is according to the rules of our stores or the rules of the platforms. For example, the Shopee and the Lazada may have the different rules for the first time response rate, right? So we can write the minutes that according to the rules of the platforms. Okay, and also we can choose the reply frequency, and we recommend this one. that auto reply wants to the same chat in every, for example, 4 hours. Yes, we can choose this one. And also the attachment limits that we can choose here. And also we can write the replies to the buyers. And also we can click the buyer's name here and we can say what can, for example, what can I do for you? Okay, for example, as this one, yes. And if we have already set the things that we can click the save here. And also if we want to translate it, we can click here and choose the languages that we want to translate. Okay, for example, the Malay, and we can, yeah, and this one will change it to the Malay. Okay, and also if we want to change to the other languages that we can choose here. For example, we can change to the English and we can use this one and it will translate. And we can click the save and to save it. As we have already set a new template, and if we want to choose, if we want to set the one for the happy winning, that we can click the settle and we can choose, yes, the big cell, the template that we have already set and confirm it. So it will stand here. So the template is useful for if we have more than one shop that we can add a template first. But if we only have one stores that maybe we don't need to use this one, that we can set a new one here. Okay. So we can click save and we can say it will be changed to what we have reset. Yes, and also uh, after we have set, we must turn on it, or we can turn on it here. We need to make it enable so it can be on work. If we didn't click it, or it became the disabled, that this will not be on effect. So this we will take care. Okay. So this one is the auto reply. As I have said that, okay, let me say the question. So I can see from the chat box that yeah, okay, you are interested in the AI chatbot, right? So this time I will introduce the AI chatbot for you. Okay. For the AI chatbot is on this page, the AI chatbot, and then we click the AI chatbot here. And and if we if okay, and if we don't have the AI chatbot rights, that we will see this page. Okay, this page will show the main functions of AI chatbot. And if we want to have a try or we want to use the AI chatbot, that we can click here on the bottom. We will click here, connect customer service online. Okay. And it will Okay, and it will turn to the customer service online page. So at this time, we can tell the customer service that, I want to try the AI chatbot, or I want to use the AI chatbot. Sorry, I want to use the AI chatbot. And it will send to the buyers and it will send it to the Duoke clients. Okay, and he will tell you how to use it, and he will help you to create the right to try the AI chatbot. Okay, so here is this one. Okay, and wait a minute. I will show you if you have already have the AI chatbot, what you can say. Example. Mm. Okay, if we have already have an account or have the rights to use the AI chatbot, then we will see this page. Okay, so if you don't have the rights, you can connect with our customers online service. Okay, okay, and now I will tell you if we have the rights and how can we to create a AI chatbot for my stores. Like first I will edit it. Okay. Okay. So the first time you comes into the AI chatbot, you will see this page. And the first thing we need to do is to add an AI chatbot. We click here and we can choose the sale market that we want to use. For example, we can choose the Malaysia and we can name the AI chatbot. For example, it's is AI MM. Okay, and this one you want to write, it's okay. And if you don't want to describe it, it's okay. And also we need to select the stores. For example, as I only select this one, Happy Winning, and we can say it has been selected, and we click save. Okay, and if we have set the AI chatbot, it will turn to this page. As we can see, here are the popular things that Duke have received from our buyers. So we can see here are 126 types of things. And these things can be divided into three parts. It's about the pre-sale, sales, and after-sales programs. For example, the first one, chat interaction, is about the pre-sale programs. Uh, when the buyers is the first time comes to our stores, the first message he will send is the hello or maybe a hi gaga or maybe xin chào like this that we can see here. Okay. Here is the questions that we have received from the buyers. Okay, so we can say here is the buyer issue, and on the right is the reply strategies. Okay, here is the strategies that. Okay, here is the strategy, and here is the messages that will be sent to the buyers according to the status. Okay, and now we will look into one of the strategies, and I will tell you how to set it. Uh, as we know, if we think this strategy is suit for our store, that we can use it. But if we think this strategy is not suit my shop, that we can reset it. Okay, so if we want to reset it, also here we can say a small pencil, and we can click here. Okay, so here we can say the strategy's name, and we also can describe the strategy. And also we can triggering the conditions. For example, I will show you all the conditions here. Here we will show the conditions. For example, it's the order information, it's about the order information. And the second one is about the product information and the logistic information and the info inquiries. Okay, for example, the first one is the order information. means that order have many statues, right? So we can choose here. Okay, we can select here, and this can be selected more than one statues can be selected here. Okay, here is the order statues, and the statues, and the second one is the statues of reformed or return or refined that we can select here. So all these statues is can be selected according to the demands of the needs of our stores and the needs of these strategies that we can select by ourselves. Okay, so we can say here is the strategies. And if we have already set the strategies we want, that we can click the save here. Okay, oh, sorry, I have no. For example, I maybe set this one, and the logistic strategy I will say is in translate, and I will set here. So here is the conditions, and the next one is the reply method. Means that we can choose the AI reply to reply AI reply to reply, or I can choose the transfer to my client or the customer service that we can select here. Okay. Okay, so if we have choose the AI reply, that we can click here. And uh and also if we choose this one, and we can set the things that we want to send to the buyers. We can write here, and also we can set more than one reply contents here. For example, we also can set more than one. And if we have already set this, and we also can translate it to the languages. This one is according to the languages that according to the sites of this language is according to the sites. So we can say only the Malay and the English can be said here. Okay, and if we want to translate to the English, we can use it, and it will be translated to the English. Okay, and if we have already reset this one, and we can click the save. So you can say here is the strategy that I have reset, and here's the messages that have been translated to English and will show here. And also if we should click it on, and it will be effect. So this is the sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. After I have introduced the AI chatbot, I will tell you how to set the sub account. Okay. Okay. So as I have said, is how to set strategies. Uh, and the next thing I want to tell is that I have already said that the popular things have included the pre-sale, sales, and after sale things. So we can look into each one in details. As we can see, the product issues is include the product card, the product details, and the product utilization, and also the stocks. Here are many, yes, and many buy issues can stand here, and we can set the reply strategies here. Okay, and also about the promotion, we also have three types: the promotion inquiry, the discount inquiry, or the we want to is the make offer or discount. Okay, and also we have the buy or order that we can see here. Also have many types. Also about the after sale is the logistic that we can set is the shipment delay time, shipment address, shipment requirement, and so on. And also the after sale issues that the added address cancel order, and all these things about after sale issues will show here, and we can reset it according to our demands. And also we can select here, we can say here are 3 types. The first one is enable all strategies and all enable all things, and also we can say enable all Duoke GPT reply, and we can say okay, and if we have say the sign signal, the signal, this one is the reply via Duoke GPT. Okay. So if you don't have the rights to use the AI chatbot, you can connect with our customer service online. Okay, and you can have try and can say all these strategies. Okay, so if you want to have try, you can connect with our customer service. Okay, and then I will turn to how to set a sub account. Okay. Okay, the sub account is here. The first thing is we have to click the settings service. Okay, click here. Okay, on the bottom, and then we can click the customer service management. Okay, and here we turn to how to set a sub account. As I have said before, that the sub account is for the situation like we have more than one stores that we need more than one client to help us to reply the messages, or maybe we have a lot of consultation from the buyers that we need more people to reply. So we need the sub account. Okay, so as I said, first is to click the settings service and click the customer service management here. Okay, okay, I will delete it first. Okay, when you are the first time comes into customer service management, you will see this page is the staff management. And the first thing we need to do is click the add account. Okay. And here is the information that we have to write. Okay, for example, at first we have to click the email. For example, I will write Tina, example. Okay, Gmail. Okay, for example, this is my email, and I will give the name is Tina. And also we need to set a password for the sub account. We have to take care the password. Okay, for example, I will set Tina 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, as we have set the email name and password, then I will select the stores which stores I want Tina to in charge of. For example, I want Tina to in charge of the Happy Winnie. I will select this one and I will click the confirm. Okay, and also we can select the roles for Tina. We can select here. Okay, and this is the sub account I have created for Tina, and I will save it. So we can see here is the account that sub account I have set to the Tina. And also we can set more than one sub account. It's according to the levels of your stores. Okay, and if we have already set the account, and then we will then we have to set what Tina can in charge of, and we can click the role management, and we can say Tina is here, the users, And also we have to select the permissions. For example, what we want the Tina to in charge of. For example, the basic reception, these functions. If we want Tina to in charge of all of this, and we can click on. Okay, the business management and also the after sale management, all these things, and also the efficiency tools and the marketing automations, and all these things we can select by ourselves. Okay. So if it's okay, that we can click save. And if there is more than one types of stuffs, that we can create a new role here. For example, is the manager. Maybe it's boss. Maybe it's me. Okay, I can if boss, and I want the boss to have all the permissions that I can click here, and all the permissions can be select on, and we can save it. So the role is according to our our shop's demands that we can yes we can set here. And also here we can add users. Okay, for example, because I only have one staff, so I have to select Tina. Okay, okay, that you can say Tina will be involved in this role. If I don't want Tina to in charge of that, I can remove. Okay, so this is about it's about how to set a sub account. Okay. And and above is about what I want to introduce today. So if you have any questions about these functions, that you can comment on the chat box. And now I will look into the chat box. Okay, I say that 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 my partner has already helped me to reply the messages. So if you have other questions, that you can comment now, and I will reply. I will help you to handle the questions. Uh, and today's training will be recorded, so that, and we will send the link into the group. Can you discuss chat reception settings? Hello, the John wrote. Do you mean the auto reply or the AI reception settings? You can comment. Oh, I mean the chat assignment features. Okay, let me check. Uh, I'm back, and as we can see here, is the chat assignment, and we have two more of assignment. And the first one is the same as before. Uh, that is only one customers can responsible for one store. And if we select the second one, the senior allocation uh, means that if there are many messages from the buyers, that the messages will be uh okay, it will be assigned to, okay, for example, I have set Tina. Yeah, I have set Tina will be assigned to Tina, and the amount that Tina can receive is is amount that we have set. We have set here. Um, as we can see it here. Yeah, if because my account don't have the function, so I can't say the amount. And but if you have already have the function that your account can say, here you have to set the amount that Tina have to reply. Okay. Okay. I'm back. Okay. Mm. And so if we have selected the second one, I have assigned this to Tina, and other clients cannot see these messages. Okay, so here are the differences. And the second one means the thread ended means that, as we can see here, um, it is the session timeout ends means the session remains in, wait a minute. Okay. Means the session remains in progress and will automatically end after 48 hours. This time is that we can set by ourselves. And also, and the second one, if we click here, it means that the buyer stays silent and the chat ends. That we can we can also set the time that if the buyers had not sent a new messenger, so that had not sent a new messages to us, that for about 5 minutes, and this chat will be end. And also if you have the function, you will say from here, from the chat page here, here is a button that you can end the chat by yourself. Okay. Okay. So here are the different. Okay, so here are the differences between the two assignment. And these days we will record a video for the introduction for these functions, and then we will send the uh video to the group so that you can know this function more in details. Okay. And if you have further information about these chat reception settings, that you also can you also can ask us in the group, on the chat training group. Okay. Okay, and I will say the next question is there, okay, is there a way best practice to measure customer service performance? Hmm. Ah, okay. And about the question, is there a better way practice to measure customer service performance? Uh, is that we can say from the data management, and we click the customer service performance here. And here we'll show the performance of our customer service. Mm, as okay, as you have said before, uh, that we can 这个 we can schedule a management for our customer service. Okay, and here we can click a new schedule because we have yes, we can choose the working days. Okay, and select the period. For example, it's about no. Okay, maybe it's okay. And the Tuesday maybe is uh 12 hour and to 18 hour. Yes. Oh, this can be set according to the demand of our shop. And here we can choose the customer service that will use this schedule. Okay, for example, Tina. And save it. Oh, sorry. I will say is the for example, Tina is the pre-sale customer service, and I can select here and save it. And so here we can say the schedules that we have already set for Tina. Okay. What what if the customer service don't have specific sheet? Oh, uh, this function is for that we have the specific shift. For we need to have the specific time to go to work and the off work time so that we can set here. But if we don't have the specific time, that it may not be effect. Okay. Okay. So can you understand what I said? Yes. So the best way is that we need to have a specific period of the working time. Okay. Yes, if we have set the schedule that the guideline will exclude the chat. Yes, beyond the office time. Yes, what you said is true. Uh, okay. So, does anyone have other questions? Mm-mm. And if we don't have further questions, and then we will over at okay. Can we continue in WhatsApp? Okay. Yeah, if we still have other questions or still need further information about Duoke that we can chat on in the WhatsApp group, it's okay. Yes. And after the training, I also will send the training record to the group, and we can so we can if someone is not is if someone is not say the training that we can set the training to we can set this training record to the partners. Okay. Okay, so today's training is over here. And okay, and if anyone had not come into our training group, that you can say the training group link has already been set on the chat box that you can click it and comes into our group. And you can uh and if you have further information that you can chat and you can ask on the group. And so today's training is over here, and thanks for your time today. Okay, okay, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay.